buying maize for condo. This bucket is 25 cedis, so I'm buying two. I decided to go and twist my hair at the salon, and guys, the dandruff were massive, so she asked that I buy a diprosine syrup. Yeah, so I got that one, and even that I used to have it, I used to use it but I stopped. I am not consistent or intentional when it comes to certain flaws in my hair. So this one there, I'm going to use it religiously. Welcome back to the official vlog, the first official vlog for the year 2023. Hey, we made it by the grace of God. If today is your first time on this platform, my name is Nana Bema, but I love to be called Versatile Nana because that is what I stand for. It's a privilege to be alive this day. Guys, pardon my voice. If you are new here, I don't have a deep voice. My voice is very thin or slim. I have a very soft voice, but the hamatan is hamatying me. That is why I am speaking like this. But anyways, today is the last Saturday of the year 2023. I can't watch. Okay, so today is the last Sabbath of the year 2023. It's actually the last day of the year 2023. I'm gonna go for watch. So we are done with the service, and as usual, I was touched. Yeah, I was touched, and I will share with you. Hey, guys, can you hear me? This voice there. I will share with you two songs that touched me today. Two of the hymns that spoke to me. Okay, so when I went to church today, I was touched by the last stanzas of the opening and the closing hymns. One of them says, "If I may rest my hand in thine, I'll count the joy of earth but loss, and firmly, bravely journey on. I'll bear the banner of the cross, to Zion's glorious gate I see, yet Savior, let me walk with thee." And the second one also says, "I fear no foe, with thee at hand to bless. Ills have no weight, and tears no bitterness. Where is thy sting? Where grave thy victory? soaked some maize. That is what we do it to get a corn dough. We soak the maize in water for 3 nights. I washed it this morning, then I put it in this basket for it to be completely drained. So I'm taking it to the mill. I'll carry you along. You know, like the adage goes, openya oni abofra oni fie no nkonkon ba ni fie ono anebo. Nkonkon is whooping cough. So the elder without a child, when there is an outbreak of whooping cough, who go catch them? You know, be the adults. There's no one to do it for me. That's why I am doing it myself. That is it. Alrighty. My neck, I'm tired. So this is it. This one, I pressed it down. So I'm holding all things constant. This one can last us up to at least the first quarter of the coming year. Yeah, it might be 4 or the next 5 months. We will not buy corn milk, guys. I can't talk. After milling the maize, you let it cool for some time. It's been over 2 hours since I came home with it, so I'm now coming to mix it to get the dough by adding water. Yes, this is the 31st night. Yeah, this is the last night in the year 2020. Currently, I am at the Presbyterian Church of Ghana. Is it congregation? Yeah. Okay, so what happened is that the whole house, there's nobody there. It was myself and the widow. Grandma was in her apartment, I was in mine. Then she came to tell me that, Madam, I am going to church, meaning I'll be left alone in the house. So I begged her to wait for me to get dressed so we come together. That is why I am here. If not for the fact that I didn't want to be alone in that house, I would have been home because I had no plans of stepping out. But then God does what He pleases. Can you hear me? I stepped out to go and withdraw money because I didn't take collection. Okay, if you don't know, collection is offering. I just took the bag without checking whether there is money in or not. And because of the weather too, I sip water intermittently to keep my throat hydrated. So I needed to buy water as well. The service is ongoing. to you when the voice gets better, okay? But this is me saying Happy New Year. Today is the 1st of January 2023. We thank God for counting us among the living. I have a lot to say.